So here's how to create recurring task on Clickup. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to create your Clickup account. Once you have successfully created your account, now you will be able to view this interface. Now to add your task, you have to simply click on the create a list option, or you can simply click on the task option here at the bottom. After clicking onto this task option here, you have to enter the name of your task. After entering the name of your task, now you have to select the list in which you want to add this task. After entering your task into a list, now here you can also add the description of your task. Then click on the calendar option or set dates option here. Now at this pop-up menu, you have to click on the set recurring at the bottom. Then here you have to select the schedule. You can select recurring at weekly schedule, monthly, yearly and quarterly. Once you have done all of your settings, now click on the save option at the bottom. So that's how to create a recurring task on Clickup.